today video in our YouTube channel ID Shashi Pathriya of Healthy Body, Mind, Spirit. We are discussing about subject Ikigai, a Japanese lifestyle of living healthy body, mind, spirit. This content is taken from our written book Healthy Body, Mind and Spirit. What is Ikigai? Ikigai is to choose an aim of life, a passion of life. That is, choose any aim of linking to which you love to do it in pleasure for the whole life. Everybody should have Ikigai to live longer with healthy body, mind, spirit. We have our Ikigai in our life to promote healthy body, mind and spirit, along with promoting to help people to get benefits of healthy body, mind and spirit. Everybody should have Ikigai to live longer with healthy body, mind, spirit. Ikigai consists of selective mission of what you love, what the world needs, vocation, what you can be paid for, profession, what you are too good, that is you are having talent, passion to do according to your Ikigai. As per Ikigai, one should not be retired in life. One should do work till body permits and enjoy healthy body, mind, spirit. Lifestyle in Ikigai concepts. Lifestyle concepts of Ikigai is to work in all around of life to achieve fullness of success in healthy body, mind and spirit. For healthy body, we should stay maximum in nature and take natural herbs and food. The residents of a village take natural food and natural herb as green tea and jasmine tea antioxidant. We should take water in maximum quantity. The residents of village are taking maximum water to detoxify their body. To suffice water intake in Japan, they drink a glass of water after each half an hour, 1 hour before meals and 2 hours after meals. 1 glass at bedtime and 1 glass at each time to suffice water intake. In Japan, they drink a glass of water after each half an hour in night also, when they get up for urinations. We should earn money for our living from our Ikigai for longer time till our body permits to live longer financially independently. We should not think to lead retired life, to keep our body and mind healthy. We should have number of sources of income. If one source does not suffice for ourselves, other source may work. Do not keep all eggs in a single basket. The residents of villages are doing work as per their ikigai. They are having number of sources to live longer with independent financial life. Almost every village is having kitchen garden as second source of income. We should move our body regularly. No intense exercise are required. Only walking and drill exercise are sufficient for daily movements. All residents are doing various types of exercises developed in Japan. They are not intense exercises. They are also doing walking, cycling, hiking, and working in their kitchen garden. We should take maximum fruits, antioxidants, and vegetables, fibers. Cheese as protein, fish for non-vegetarian, and wine who drinks and rice. The residents of village take 5 meals of fruits and vegetables with maximum tofu, cheese as protein, fish as protein for non-vegetarian, wine antioxidant, rice in mostly every meal or noodles. We should take food up to it starts filling appetite of stomach. The residents of village take 80% of stomach filling, that is stop eating when starts filling appetite. We should eat calories restricted diet. The residents of village take calories restricted diet, maximum up to 1800 to 1900 calories per day, as compared to 2200 to 2300 calories per day in United States. We should have less body mass index. Residents of village are having body mass index between 18 to 22. This is favorable to keep their body fat under control. This prevents them from obesity and other lifestyle diseases as BP, sugar, heart stroke, brain stroke, and cancer. We should take maximum antioxidants in shapes of fruits, wine, and spices having maximum ORAC value. The residents of village take maximum antioxidant from fruits, wine, and spices to be healthy, free from diseases caused from free radicals molecules called oxidants. So they are healthy, energetic, and younger in life and having a long active life. Please subscribe our video, like our video, give comments to our video, share our video to your contacts, ring bell of notification for spiritual healing for healthy body, mind, spirit. Please contact Shashi Pathria 9311659954 WhatsApp number. Thanks.